How to send pictures on character AI. Now, if you've been wondering, because you can call with your AI, you can text with your AI, and some AI also have the capabilities to generate an image for you. But in this case, maybe you want to share some pictures with the AI or do whatever else in this case, but you aren't being able to do so. Now, if you open the character AI app and then you go to a certain chat, then you can see a couple of options here. You can see the messaging icon, and you can also see the call icon if I want to call it, and here you can see the DMs icon. Unfortunately, this option of sending pictures used to be available before, but now it's no longer possible due to the abuse of this platform. So character AI basically mentioned that there has been an abuse in sending pictures from the users who use the platform, and that's why they have disabled this particular feature for now. So unfortunately, hopefully in the future, if they bring an update where they can actually allow us to send images or pictures, then I will also make sure to update you about it. But until then, thank you for watching, stay subscribed, and see you in the next video.